Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Aviva PLC. So the trend is very much interesting and you just need to follow the overall policies which has been driven by the global central banks, and the simple impact of those policies are easy liquidity. So it doesn't matter whether you are in a developed country or developing country, but if you are interested watching, working, investing in financial market anywhere in the world, you know that liquidity is abundant. So taking that thing with you, if you just look at the chart, it's very interesting, and you can say that the chart might get bottomed out. Okay, so why I am saying it, I have already given the simple explanation. You can find out news and all those things. There are some things which you need not to overthink on. So if you are overthinking then you might uh, be in a problem for yourself only. And secondly, the second most reason is about the trend. Always remember that your trend is your friend, and we need to respect the stock price which has been available on the screen. Okay, so do not try to bet against that. If it is up, we will say up. If it is down, we do and say the same thing. Okay, right now, if you look at the trend, what you can see here is a probable, what you can say, has created a base, probable base, and it is moving on. So your support level comes near 208, and below that the major support level will come at around 161, which it might not test it because it's the low of 2009. So that is not the situation, and because of easy policy measures which make the policies easy, it rebounded very sharply. If you look at this, because this is a monthly chart, you may not be able to find out, but there is already a 48% move, which is pretty big for a company like Aviva PLC. So the next thing which you could expect is on the upside, and the next target would be around 447 to 495. Okay, so these two lines could be considered as your resistance. If you are unable to see, let me just yep. So 447 to, you can consider as 500. So this is your range. The stock price has to move beyond these levels first. Okay, once it stay and sustain above 500, the next thing which you could expect here is this. Okay, above 500 is this one. So what I am saying here is that this zone could probably be a consolidation zone. Okay, inside which stock may be going up, down, consolidating, not moving. Lots of things can happen, but there are two things which you need to take care of. If it is going up, that this is a range, this is a range of 447 to 500, and beyond which 578. Unless it moves and stay above 578, we cannot say it's a strong rebound. Otherwise it will become a consolidated range move. You can see here, so this is a range and this is the upper side of the range, which is 578. So unless it moves above 578, we can't say that it's a good and strong rebound, and there is a possibility that it may go towards 578 and again cross back, and 578 becomes a supply or the resistance zone. So once it stay above 578, the next probable target would be around 859, 1144, and finally the high of 1998, which is 1286. So just understand one thing, that this stock has been falling from last 22 odd years. So this is a big bear market chart. Okay, so let not just you know make yourself overjoyed and think that it will go towards this range of 1286 or its previous high, because it's a tall task. And for that to happen, I already told you that the share price or the stock price must sustain above 578. So do not overthink beyond 578 right now. Let the price decide where it is going, where it is taking the rest and consolidating. Then take your decisions. Right now, what you can see, what is your probable range, is in between this. So what you need to take care most importantly is your support, and then your resistance, which is on 578, beyond which let the price settle and above 578, then you can talk about these three areas or these 3 points. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.